So this is Isaac's first winter camping trip, and on the way here, he said he felt like he forgot something. We found out what it was. He forgot his ski pants. But we raided Stan's closet, and we found something that fits him just right.
Well, 1 or 2 sizes big, you'll be fine.
We're gonna make a video of our winter camping trip here, our first night at the shelter. There we go. Nice job, Twig. So, to do a quick recap of our day so far, we're just kind of rushing through this. I apologize for the video quality in this video because we're just out here having fun this weekend, and I've got lots of video production jobs on the go that we just wanted to shoot with the iPhones and just quickly some loose shots to show you guys what we're up to this weekend. But we started off by going grocery shopping. What did we get for groceries?
Cereal. A couple other stuff.
But we didn't only get cereal. We brought some sausages, we brought grilled cheese sandwiches, we got nuts, we got some peanut brittle, some seeds, and yeah, so we're not gonna get hungry, so don't worry, we didn't just bring cereal. Remember, wait, don't always have your hand behind where you're cutting. Same thing with the axe, you can't have any part of your body where your sharp object is going. It's a matter of the angle. It's the angle that your blade is hitting the wood. If your angle's too sharp, then it's just gonna dig in, and if it's too wide, it's just gonna slide. So you gotta have just the right angle so it just starts to cut just the thin layers of wood. It's easier to take multiple thin layers of wood off than thick layers. So essentially, I'm making 2 big wooden nails that are gonna go into that back wall where we drilled the holes. Find out if these fit. Oh, these are gonna be awesome, Twig.
Sick.
See, look, even though I'm swinging, if I miss, see how it's going back here? Even though my leg's behind it, my leg's on this side, I'm holding that out to the side. Because I know I will miss eventually. Even if I do it 100 times without missing, eventually I'll miss. And then also with the axe, when you dig it in, if you bend it out like that, it helps break the wood.
That's what I do.
Yeah. That should fit. Here's our new shelf. We got nice and solid. Oh, that was a good day. Hey, Twig?
Yeah.
Our beds are all set up. We think we have like 10 blankets apiece. It's gonna be -8 tonight, I think. I got my phone on airplane mode, so don't know. But it doesn't feel that cold, does it?
No. Well, I mean, I'm literally in Superman here.
Yeah. Time to take off the boots for the day and switch into the moccasins. Twig's still whittling away in the dark. He has found his new hobby. He said to me, what'd you say about don't get rid of your
Don't burn my wood.
Don't burn his wood. He's got all his wood stashed under here from the very first tree he cut down, and he is going to whittle all of it into masterpieces.
I don't know about all of it. It's a lot of wood.
It's a lot of wood.
Like,
oh yeah, look at the boots steaming.
it's probably 30 feet. All cut up.
Oh, that feels good. Got my moccasins on. Time to relax. This is a big fire.
Yeah.
bad in here. Oh, that is so comfortable. Oh, this is gonna be the best sleep ever. Oh yeah, I'm like, I feel like I'm floating on so much softness. We got too many layers. We're gonna have to toughen up before we go on some real winter trips.
Yeah.
But it's a good practice round.
Let me check the time. 6:50.
6:50. Time to make some sausages. Oh yeah, these are looking good. Ooh, they're getting crispy. You like them a little crispy? That looking a little burnt, hey?
Yeah, I'm gonna take them off.
I think it's done. These guys are done. Give them a little sizzle on that side.
Let's try a bit of sizzle.
I think they're ready to go. Nice. Yeah, yours is hanging right there.
Battle scars.
Battle scars. Yeah, that flashlight just spanned a good, what, 5 seconds on the fire. You ready for one of these, buddy?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have that banana first, though.
Okay.
Because I won't eat it tomorrow, and it'll be frozen tomorrow. Battle scars, yeah. Cheers.
You called this lunch. Okay.
Mmm.
Probably the best hot dog I've ever had.
It's the best, isn't it? Yeah. It is the best. And we have no condiments. This is just straight up sausage in a bun. Hot dogs in a bun. These are hot dogs. These are sausages from Costco. They're really good.
This place is pretty awesome, isn't it, Twig?
He's screaming his way through every step of bare skin being exposed. It's not that cold in here, buddy. Like, are your ears cold?
My everything's cold.
Yeah. So Twig is bundled up. He's this is his little cocoon. Let's see if we can find him. There he is. Look at that, nice and cozy. Reading Garfield. Read us a Garfield. Tell us something funny.
Okay, well, sometimes it's hard because you have to actually, like, look at the pictures, but, ready?
Yeah.
Listen to this, Garfield. As we grow older, our attention span gets shorter. Pretty interesting, huh? Wet.
All right, good night.
Ah! Okay, bye.
Bye.
All right, we are all bundled up for the night. How you doing, Twig?
Well, yeah, I'm doing pretty good.
Yeah, you're doing pretty good.
I'm stuffed in here. I couldn't move if I wanted to.
Yeah, you're looking pretty bundled. I'm pretty bundled too. You probably can't see, but I'm in I've got the AquaQuest bivvy, my good old-fashioned Coleman sleeping bag, and a few extra blankets down by the feet, just in case we need to throw them over. Yeah, we got the candles by the flasks, because our water bottles or flasks here are freezing up. So we're hoping that keeping the candles close to them will keep them unthawed enough so we still have some water to drink in the morning. All right, Twig.
Yeah.
Good night.
Good night.
Well, here we are. It's not only did we make it through the night, it is bright out. How'd you sleep, Twig?
Pretty good. I woke up at like 1:30, but after that I went to sleep and I had a good time.
So we slept until 8:30. That's ridiculous. I don't even sleep in that late at home. I wake up at like 6:30.
Well, I woke up at 7:30, so like.
Twig's been up for an hour just reading Garfield under his sleeping bag. And apparently -10. We're doing good in here.
Yeah.
-10, and we're bundled up. I got my wool sleeping sweater.
Yeah, during the night I managed to take off my sock.
Wait, what are you even wearing a shirt? Yeah. So you just slept in what? Basically your base layer.
I got my shirt and I got my t-shirt, yeah, if I could get it out. It's here though. Right there.
So
Red.
two shirts
Two shirts.
and one pair of.
Two shirts My sock fell off when I was sleeping. And then I have my other sock, and then I have sweatpants.
Okay. So you're at a good few layers. But that sleeping bag must be warm.
It's a god sleeping bag. It's like
I'm gonna
better
get one
than
of
my
those.
Superman suit.
That looks good. And is it what? It's just a Coleman?
Mine or this one?
Yeah, that one.
It's a Woods.
Oh, Woods. Cool. There we go. Good job, Woods. You kept Twig warm all night.
Yeah, okay.
Our water bottles are frozen. See, I've got the water bottles on the
Wait, where's
candles.
the
Just
milk?
the milk's in the teepee.
Ugh.
I've had to keep the water bottles on the candles so that they were frozen solid last night when I tried to use them, and my lighter was frozen solid. I couldn't even spark the lighter to get it to light a candle.
What? How'd you light them? Just
I warmed
use
it up
the
using
candles?
one of the other candles. There was still one candle going, so. This morning.
We made it through the night. We did it no problem, hey? Our milk's a little frozen, but thanks to titanium cups I was able to heat it up a little bit. Cereal for breakfast. Can't do that in summer camping.
It's too cold for Twig to put on his snowsuit, and he's freezing, so he knows the best way to get warm is just to go chop down a tree. So we're both getting heated up for the morning. We just finished cereal, chopping down a tree, and then we'll get set up for the day. First things first, hey? Nice tree. All before you got dressed for the morning. Still in your pajamas.
I'm not in my pajamas. It's a heavy one.
There you go. You can fit through those trees now, can't you? You got it. You got it's getting easier.
Huh?
It's getting easier.
Yeah, I know.
That's the big one. Good tree.
There.
Now you got it. Good work. It's looking great.
Do you think if I just stayed out here, I wouldn't have to go to school or anything?
You mean just lived out here and built tree forts with me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that'd be fine. Can't see why that'd be a problem. So that's the end of our camping trip. Our one night, overnight here
We made it.
at the shelter. We survived. We were warm. We ate cereal.
First.
You what?
We were first.
Our first night.
No, like we were first to sleep here.
First successful overnighters too, yeah. All right. Till next Tuesday. Be nice people. Be nice to our earth.